So please, number one is, make sure you set yourselves with goals, realistic goals. Okay. So you're going, you don't want to save. If you're earning 10,000 per month, just saying 10,000 per month, and you want to plan to save 5,000 per month, that's not realistic. That's not possible. So you set realistic goals for yourself and go, okay, I want it to be realistic. Number two, I want to get it like as small as possible. What's the amount? I'm not giving financial advice here, but I think in truth, just go for 5%. A lot of people will tell you, oh, start with 10 to 20% of your income. Crazy. Yeah, that you're dooming yourself to fail. You can tell them I said it because I've got my app. Like those guys, if they tell you that, go to ask them, okay, where's your bank? They don't have a bank. Where's your app? You don't have the app. But any true bank CEO or any fintech app CEO will tell you straight away how hard it is for people to save. Like we don't have. I can tell you, the average person has an income, and it's not like they have 20% just sitting around nowhere. And then you want to try and squeeze the savings out. When you squeeze the savings out, then you don't last because it's like living this way for the next 6 months. Okay, you can't walk around this way. You can't do that. So what does that mean? You need to put something that's small, that's realistic away. 5% of your income.